Jadhav. Today we are talking about exception in Java. First, we are talking about what is the exception. An exception is an unwanted and unaccepted event which occurs during the exception of program, that is at the runtime, that disrupt the normal flow of the program instruction. Now we're talking about error and difference between error and exception. Error error is a indicates serious problem that reasonable application should not try to catch. Exception as a indicate a condition that reasonable application might try to catch. Now we're talking about the exception hierarchy. All the exception and errors type are subclasses of class throwable, which is base class of hierarchy. One branch is headed by exception. This class is used for exceptional handling that user program should catch. The null point exception is an example of such exception. Another branch error are used by Java runtime system to indicate error having to do with the runtime environment itself. The stack overflow error is an example of error. How JVM handles an exception. The default exception handling whenever inside the method, if exception has occurred, the method create an object known as exception object and hand it off to runtime system. The exception object contain name and the description of the exception and current state of the program where the exception has occurred. The creating the exception object and handling it to the runtime system, it's called the throwing an exception. There might be the list of the method that had been called to get the method where the exception was occurred. This order list of the method is called call stack. Now we following procedure is happening. The runtime system searches the call stack to find the method that contain block of code that can handle the code exception. The block code of the code is called the exception handler. The runtime system starts searching from the method in which exception occurred, processing through the call stack in the reserve order in which method were called. If it find appropriate handler, then it's pass the code exception to it. The appropriate handler means the type of the exception object through matches the type of the exception object it can handle. Now we're talking about need of try and catch clause. Consider the following Java program. / Java program to demonstrate need to try catch clauses. Class CGF, public static void main method, array size of 4. Now we're talking about array size. This statement causes the exception int I is equal to the array size of 4. / the following statement will never execute it. The stream out print in hello I want to execute. Output exception in thread means Java language array index out of bound exception at 4GG main. Explanation. In the above example, an array is defined with the size, that is, you can access the element only from index 0 to 3, but you can try to access the element at index 4. That's why it is throwing an exception. In this case, JVM terminated the program abnormally. The statement system out println will never execute it. To execute it must be handled to exception using try catch. Hence, to continue normal flow of the program, we need to try catch. Okay, thank you so much. This is the exception in Java. Thank you.